There's car alarms going off.
Wait, no.
It's coming straight for us.
Okay, sorry. I wonder how much they spend on fireworks.
Couple grand.
I just want one of those to light off.
Wouldn't it be cool if you could do this for your birthday?
Oh my god, that would be the best.
I would just do one.
For my 18th birthday, yes. Like,
Have your own fireworks show?
yes.
Oh, I would do that.
I would want to light them off myself, personally. That's cool. It's really quiet.
Everybody getting nostalgia from Disney.
Hey.
Yeah.
All that smoke,
They're
though.
multiplying.
It's like palm trees.
They just keep. That was so hard.
It's like champagne showers, Sierra.
We light it up 8 hours.
Hell yeah.
This really needs some music to it.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Brooke, sing it.
The sky is on fire.
Oh.
Those are pretty.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, you did.
You go.
I'm taking your backpack. Look.
Nah, there's stuff in there. Don't touch it. It's got my
Put
lens in
head
there.
on it.
Ah. Oh, fuck yeah, man.
So cool. I love it.
Love loud noises.
Yeah, that was good. I like that one.
It looks like a chandelier.
I'm coming like a wrecking ball.
That green one was like wrecking ball.
It's wrecking the skies.
Wrecked.
Get wrecked.
It got wrecked.